Hello guys, my name is Irina, I'm yoga instructor, and today I will be giving you two poses for people who travel a lot. These are two very simple therapeutic poses which will give you a lot of benefits, which will calm you down and release your stress after a long flight, long trip, long journey. So follow me. First pose is called Balasana, which is a child's pose from the Sanskrit. What we are doing? We are sitting on the couch or in the bed, in the hotel room, anywhere. And we are going on our knees, and maybe we will need a pillow. So what we need to do is spread a little the knees and stretch forward. If you feel that it's difficult for you to touch the bed with your forehead, then you should use the pillow and stretch yourself here. And you can stay in this pose from 1 to 3 minutes, which will be approximately from 15 long breaths, maybe more. And the second pose which we will be doing is called Viparita Karani. Viparita Karani is an inverted position. We are laying down on the bed and we are just lifting our legs up. And we put our hands in the cactus position. This is a position of total surrender. So it helps us to restore blood circulation in the legs. It stimulates lymphatic system. It stimulates also a little bit digestive system. It releases the tension in your heart and it calms down your mind. To go out of this position, you just bend your knees and you go to one side and you go up. So I hope these two poses will help you. Do yoga, enjoy your life, stay with me, bye.